Samsung came up with the iris scanner technology in its Galaxy S8 smartphone and is now all set to take it to the next level with its next flagship called the Samsung Galaxy S9. The iris scanner on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be improved to better recognize users' eyes, which has been one of the biggest issues for the iris scanners. Samsung will be using a 3 megapixel lens instead of 2 megapixels to achieve this target. The bigger lens will help in getting clear images for the iris scanner and will improve the accuracy in dark environments too. Samsung plans to use this iris scanner for banking and other authentication areas as it is more secure feature than the facial recognition and fingerprint scanner. It will be interesting to see how this iris scanner works in dark and whether it will be able to compete with the Apple's Face ID. Microsoft's artificial assistant Cortana will now support Google Calendar via Gmail. Microsoft is allowing Cortana to access your Google Calendar data by connecting it to Gmail. Most people use Gmail for mail and Windows on their PCs, so having this is really helpful. This feature is available across Cortana enabled devices, your laptop, PCs, your smartphones via Cortana app for iOS and Android devices, and even Cortana enabled smart home devices like speakers, etc. So now you can give your basic commands on any Cortana enabled device and it will sync across others seamlessly. You can read the article linked below to know how to connect your Gmail with Cortana. HMD Global relaunched Nokia smartphone brand last year with the launch of Nokia 6 and now the company is all set to launch its successor, Nokia 6 2018. The device is now listed on Chinese certification website Tena with model number TA1054. The company will offer the same 5.5-inch display but this time with smaller bezels, which will reduce the overall form factor. The home button will be removed due to the 18:9 aspect ratio display and the fingerprint scanner can be found at the back just below the camera and flash module. The device will come in a metal UD body design and will house a 3000 mAh battery. It should run on Android Oreo out of the box and will be launched around January in China and at Mobile World Congress globally. Apple has announced a new update for developers which will let them offer new apps for pre-order via the Apple App Store. Customers will be able to pre-order the app via the product page and will get notified once the app is available for download. For paid app, you will be charged before downloading the app and there is no charge for pre-ordering the app. If you are a developer, you can read the article linked below to know these steps. Google has launched 3 new photography applications today called Storyboard, available on Android, Selfissmio, available on iOS and Android, and at last Scrubbies, available on iOS only. Google has launched these 3 apps as a part of its recently launched Experiments program, which means experiments with apps. The first app, which is available on Android only, is Storyboard. It takes video clips and automatically pulls out 6 frames which it lays out in a comic book style template. You can refresh the app to get different frames and layouts out of over 1.6 trillion different combinations. The next app available for both Android and iOS is Selfissmio. This app helps you take black and white pictures in different poses automatically. So basically, once you tap on the screen to start shooting, it will automatically click pictures when you change your pose or move around. And last is an iOS only app called Scrubbies. It lets you create video loops by scrubbing back and forth just like a DJ mix to remix your video. All of these apps are now live. Which one do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments below. This is it guys from this video. If you like it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. This is Siddhant signing off. Keep smiling.